This is for you if you've been stuck on which next action you're supposed to take, or if you feel burnt out from constantly just taking action. Appreciate you subscribing right down at the bottom so that you can continue to keep getting a breakthrough in each video that I put out. Okay, what I'm about to tell you will give you actions to take that lead you right to your manifestation so you'll never be stuck. And it will make it so that you are never working hard again. It'll be so easy. And I'm going to show you the exact way that I access this intuition. This is a hot topic, y'all. This intuition thing. So your intuition is basically your higher self or God or whatever you believe in. It is your higher self giving you the step to take. So your higher self knows the path to your manifestation. It knows the fastest route. It knows the tollways. It knows the fast lanes. It knows the delays. It knows it all. And so the only way that you receive these steps is through intuition. And it's not giving you the entire roadmap at one time. It's spoon feeding it to you. It's so subtle if you're not used to actively following your intuition. It's like when you get those urges to do something. And a lot of times people don't do them. Like if you get a thought to go clear across town to go to a grocery store, and you're like, I don't even live over there. Why am I going 30 minutes out the way? That doesn't make any sense. Well, it's your intuition. It's leading you, it's spoon feeding you the steps. And that's the thing. If you're not in the vibrational frequency, usually you're just going to brush off the intuition. Here's a good one. Have you had the urge to go get a lottery ticket, but then you didn't go do it because you were like, I usually don't win that anyway? Well, obviously, because you weren't in the vibrational frequency to be receptive to that intuition that you got. The easiest way to tell if you're in the vibrational frequency of receiving this intuition is if you are feeling excited. Have you ever noticed when you're feeling excited and you're feeling so happy that you just don't even notice time going by? That's when you're in the flow. That is exactly when you're able to receive that intuition flawlessly. Or have you been working on your business and you're just feeling so in the zone, you're feeling fired up, you're feeling flow, and it's just everything seems to be like boom, 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 you're getting everything out there. Well, you're in the perfect vibrational frequency for intuition to flow. Y'all, this happened to me a few days ago. Not that this is unusual, but this time it lasted much longer than it usually does. So I woke up in the morning. It was after I did my gratitude list. I started to receive intuition. It was flowing through like a stream. I was being showered with this intuition. I was sleepy, but I woke up excited. It was like all these ideas were coming through. I was waking up, I was like, oh my goodness, ooh, this is nice. And then I pick my phone up and go to the notes section and put in everything, the thoughts I was receiving. And then I put it back down and more came through, go to the notes section and put more in. Like it was literally like that back and forth thing for quite a while. And I literally I believe it was 7 video topics. I got titles and everything. And then I also got an email, right? I got an email that came through to me and it said, well, I won't tell you exactly what it said. If you're on my email list, then you will know. Make sure that you go subscribe to that. But the thought came through for me to do voice to text for this particular email. And I was like, oh, I've never done that before, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna roll with this. And so it just flowed out of me. It was a long email too. And it was really flawless. And so many people opened that email up multiple times. And I was like, this is exactly the message they needed to hear. That email could have easily taken me 2 hours or so if I was out of that flow state and wasn't receiving it wasn't picking up on the intuition. But the email ended up only taking like 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes to really just speak out. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I was just realizing and just soaking it up. Like, this is what it is to be in flow. This is what it is to have that intuition flow through, because days of work or hours of work literally only took a few minutes. And it was inspired. It didn't feel like work because it was easy. I was excited. I was happy to do this stuff. That's how easy and in flow this can be. And that's what it is when you're manifesting. It's not a struggle to have your manifestation. The process isn't this long, hard thing to do. It's easy. And you get to be excited. You get to be in flow. You get to feel passion. You get to feel those things on your conscious manifestation journey. Do you get what I'm saying? And that's why I am a firm believer. This is contrary to belief, that Starting a business and going on your entrepreneurial journey does not have to be a struggle. It doesn't have to be this hard thing. You don't have to struggle to make ends meet. You don't have to struggle to get content out. You don't have to feel burnt out. You don't have to do it. Don't even subscribe to that type of belief system if it doesn't resonate with you. I'm at the point where I can easily see somebody's belief system if I'm talking to them or if I'm hearing them on TV or on YouTube or anything. Like, I know I can pick and choose. Hey, I like that belief. I'm going to add that one to mine, to my belief system. Or if somebody's saying something, I'm like, nah, that's not for me. Like, for instance, the one where they're talking about, you got to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning to be successful. I don't subscribe to that one because I know I would be mad as all get out if I'm waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning every day. In terms of success, you define what it is to be successful. You put those belief systems in place. Everybody else who you're seeing, that is their belief system. And you have the power and the freedom to choose which belief systems that you subscribe to. If it doesn't resonate with you, then you don't have to do it. Like, if you don't want to wake up, don't wake up. That's not for you, and that's fine. Okay, back to the beautiful, beautiful intuition. It's guiding you, and it's always there. It's either you are cutting it off, you're just basically like you're squeezing a straw. You're either squeezing the straw or you let go of the straw. So if you're squeezing the straw, you're just basically kind of blocking the intuition from really getting to you. If you let go of the straw, it's free to flow. But you always have intuition coming through. Don't think for a second you don't. And if you think you don't, then that's a limiting belief for you to look at, because that is your block. Are you following me? And here is the method for you to receive explosions of intuition coming through to you. So you never have to work hard again. Never, ever, ever. Make sure you're writing this down and taking notes on this, or come back to this video as much as you need to really instill this in you. The first thing is, it starts at night, actually. If you got a lot going on in your mind before you go to bed, don't even turn the lights off yet. You clear that stuff up. So start shifting those limiting beliefs, because that is going to hinder you really receiving that intuition to the max capacity. I have a free training on shattering your limiting beliefs right down below. You can press down below and you can get that so that you can start doing this right before you go to bed. So once you're done clearing your limiting beliefs and you're laying in bed, what you want to think about and visualize, really visualize the desired life. So you having your manifestation, visualize that. And when you're feeling good and you're feeling excited, you want to do this next. Take it an increment higher. What if it got better than that? Visualize that. And what if it got even better than that? It gets to be better. So you visualize it better and better and better and better. And you'll bring your emotions to a peak where you're feeling so excited. You are feeling, this is happening. This is it. You're feeling pumped. So you do that, and then you'll fall asleep. And here's the gotcha. That vibrational frequency that you were in at night when you were feeling excited and pumped and just through the roof, you'll wake up in that state, which is the easiest way to be in the receptive mode, to receive intuition, to receive guidance. We don't just stop it there, though. What we do next is we do a gratitude list. So you can do this either in your mind or you can do it on paper. I switch back and forth. Like, if I don't feel like writing that day, I'll just do it in my mind. So I'll just close my eyes, like right when I wake up, I'll close my eyes, and then I'll just go through a gratitude list. And a lot of times that's when intuition will come through. So just hop on that gratitude list, and then you'll start receiving intuition. You'll be in the receptive mode. Then follow that up with a meditation of your choosing. You can do a guided meditation. You could do a silent meditation, whatever floats your boat. And you're a clear vessel for intuition. Boom, you'll get the ideas. Now, you may get the intuition that it may come at that time in the morning, or it may come when you're in the shower, or it'll come when you're sitting on the toilet, or it will come at a plethora of ways. But don't judge, where it happens, but it is happening. You do this, it's happening for you. Trust me. And when this intuition comes through, don't judge it. It just is. It may sound like something completely left field. Take it as it is and just do it, because remember, your higher self knows the fastest path for you to have your manifestation. You want to be on the fast track, right? After you do this, let me know in the comments what kind of intuition you received. And I appreciate you grabbing that free training for shattering your limiting beliefs right down at the bottom. It will do you wonders, and it goes exactly with this method I just told you.